Beautiful people, welcome to my channel. It's Claudie Madubasi, and today's video I'll be showing you this simple tutorial using the pearl machine. This pearl machine can fix your beading. It will make beading easy for you. So this machine can do a lot of things. So imagine you don't know how to bead. This machine is best for you. You get this at an affordable price at any sewing supplies shop to make your beading and artwork very easy and quick. You can use this pearl machine to decorate your trimmings like this one. You can use it to decorate your bag, your shoes, anything that you want to decorate. You can use it, your belt, you can use it to decorate it. This is simple and easy. So you need this tool if you don't have one, if you don't know how to bead. So this particular one is for machine, so this machine will do it quick for you. This is the easiest way of putting pearls in your dress or making beads in your dress. So this machine will do it for you. So you can also get these machines in our market. We have people who do it on a daily basis as their job. So when you take your fabric or your already made dress there, they will do it for you at an affordable charge. Please don't forget to like my video if you find it interesting, and don't forget to comment, leave a comment, and also subscribe to this video so that I'll bring you more. Thanks for watching, and see you in my next video. Bye.